Reducing fractions to simplest form, 16 over 28. We can reduce it because 16 over 28 are the same composite. 28 is composite too. First method is to get the GCF.
What is GCF?
Greatest common factor.
Okay. Gawin mo na. 16 over 28.
Let's get the factor.
Factors.
Factorization. 1 and 16. 2 and 8.
Meron pa?
Let's count 4. 4, 8, 12, 16.
4 and?
4 and 4.
Okay. So 28.
1 and 28. 2 and let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. So it's 14. Let's count 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20, 21, 24, 27. But it's not a factor.
Ano ngayon?
So let's count to 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So 4 and 7. These are the common factors 1, 2, and 4. But the greatest common factors is 4. So let's put 16 over 28. Let's divide 4. Equal 16 divided by 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. So it's 4 over 7. So the simplest form of 16 over 28 is 4 over 7. Second method, prime factorization. So the prime factorization is 16. So the prime of 16 is 4 times 4. But they still have more factors. 2 times 2. And the other is 2 times 2, 2. 28 is 4 times 7. But this has factors.
Prime factors.
Prime factors.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
equal 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And then 2 times 2 times 7. 2 times 2 times 7. So let's let's cancel. So 2 times 2 is 4. And over 7. So the simplest form of 16 and over 28 is 4 over 7. They are the same of this.